Okay, now I'm going to be demonstrating reverse by parking. For that particular exercise, I'm going to be using observation, control, accuracy. Also, I'm not going to be demonstrating a reference point. Reason for that, every car's got different reference point. Every instructor's got different way of using a reference point. Therefore, I'm not going to use it. So something that you need to practice with instructor. They'll have their own reference point. Okay, without any delay, let's move on. Now I'm going to look over the right shoulder, left shoulder, all right check, observation. Now I could say it's all safe, so I'm going to release the handbrake, keep my car controlled using clutch control. I'm going to full lock to the left, looking around, scanning around, nothing there, all clear, nice and clear. Okay, simple as that, it's done. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.